Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of the Real Estate Experience, where we always try to bring some kind of professional advice from either real estate professionals or people from that world. Today, I'm excited. I'm always excited to talk about credit. It's something how I started off in real estate. And these are two people that I've got a chance to get to know, one more than the other. But I know their work is excellent because I know a couple of the clients they've helped from Aplus Credit, Miss Trisha, Mr. James. How you guys doing?
Hi Trey, how are you? How are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm good. Happy. It's January the 3rd. We started it off early this year, but I think it's important, for people to know the different things they could do with credit, as far as establish their wealth and work on their financial freedom. So I always tell people, hey, it's not about me. It's about you guys. I want you guys to go ahead and introduce yourself and tell us how long you've been with the company, or what you want to tell us about the company. Trisha, ladies first. Go ahead.
My name is Trisha. I was a client of A Plus Credit for like, I want to say maybe 7, 8 years now. And I decided to go over into the business side because they do such great credit repair and they're very knowledgeable on product. So they also do business credit as well. I think that today.
And that's something. I'm sorry. I apologize. Go ahead.
Go ahead, go ahead.
No, I'm saying that's something we'll talk about too. We'll talk about business credit and personal credit. And Trisha, you also are a real estate agent, correct?
Yes, I am real agents of LA, Trey.
Yeah. What what areas do you work, Trisha?
I'm mostly the Valley,
Okay.
like Chatsworth, Thousand Oaks, Studio City, a little bit of Calabasas.
Got you. Mr. James, go ahead and talk to us, please.
Yes, how are you guys? Just having some technical issues earlier. I'm the CEO owner of A Plus Credit Repair. We basically service the whole United States. We service also Europe as well as Canada.
Okay. That's good.
Say again?
No, I'm listening.
Yes, so pretty much we specialize in personal credit repair, business credit repair, as well as any type of personal separation from your business. Anybody that may have been in a divorce or anything like that, that we actually do personal separation in regards to entities and things like that.
Okay.
And pretty much any type of services in the credit realm.
Okay.
We specialize in.
I want to get into a little bit more detail. We only do 15 minutes on here. Can you explain to us the difference between personal credit, business credit, and, as you've just kind of educated me right now, personal separation credit? Can you guys, go back? I don't know who wants to speak on what, but yeah, please educate us.
So far as of your personal credit, that pretty much is you as a person. It's anything that you may have under your own social security number, and is normally contributed to you by 3 other contributing factors, which is normally your social, your address, and your name. And that's anything that comes from the 3 major credit bureaus, which are Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, as well as the 4th unofficial bureau, which is Innova's Data Solutions.
Okay.
And pretty much your personal credit is typically anything that you apply for any type of line of credit under your social security number. And normally that's any type of credit cards, personal loans, any auto loans, any type of installment business loans. What else? And that's pretty much normally personal credit.
Okay.
As far as your business credit, what most people don't realize is that you have a lot of business owners that are in business but don't have any established business credit. Your business credit is comprised of what is called your payback score. Basically, there are 2 now of the 3 major credit bureaus that actually have business credit reporting, which is Business Experian and Business Equifax. TransUnion doesn't do it anymore. But pretty much your paydex score is the equivalent of your personal credit. It's basically what score shows the capability of your business repaying any type of loan, debt, or credit extended to them. And normally with business credit, normally how you form business credit is normally through net 30 accounts, business installment loans, things of that nature that helps you establish your business credit.
Okay.
And you typically want to have your business credit solely in your business name, not you as a person associated to business credit. And what I mean by that is that typically 90% of most business owners, when you first start a business, you apply for business credit, you're still using your social security number to secure that business credit, which is almost the #1 rule and the no-no of that's why we have to actually do the separation. Because when you apply for business credit under your social, you as the person is still liable for that debt as well as the business.
Okay.
Whereas if you're doing solely business credit, it should be only attached to your business.
Got you. So to inform our listeners and our audience, you want to keep your business entity separate from your personal entity as far as doing business for maybe tax purposes and other business purposes.
Totally.
Well, yeah,
Go ahead.
for that. And I mean, like, you know, God forbid if anything happens, the whole rule of thumb is you want someone to sue your business, not you personally.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. And that's the whole point of a limited liability company.
Right.
If you have the limited liability to where you're only liable for a certain portion, and you take that all away, if you actually do it under your personal, then you're totally liable.
Okay.
Correct.
Trisha, if you could tap in with us and let us know some solutions that you guys provide at Aplus Credit as far as business credit, what you guys do. If somebody, let's say somebody as myself who had no knowledge of anything, but I had an LLC set up and I came to you guys, how would you guys help me as far as a business credit? And I believe you guys also, you know, do business proposals as well. So if you could talk me through that, I'd appreciate it. So everybody can get an understanding of exactly what you guys do.
So, I mean, first you would definitely have to apply for a DUNS number. That's kind of like your business social security number. We would do that, help you through that process. If you didn't have a business proposal, we would create that plan for you as well. Business plan, business proposal, where we have someone that writes up business plans for you. So that's a different
department.
Different department, you want to call it, but a different service, sorry, I should say, a different service connected to the business credit repair side.
Okay. Now what if somebody what are some issues people come to you guys with as far as business credit issues? Or are they just trying to build credit? Talk to me. I don't, you know, I have a business set up, so I definitely need to get involved in this as well. I have my Dun and Bradstreet number, my bank accounts and stuff like that. But I want to, you know, talk to people that's new like me. That's kind of like in, you know, getting education 101. What's some things we would come to you for as far as establishing business credit?
Well, what people don't realize, it's not an overnight thing. Like how personal credit, you know, like, okay, you'll see your score go up in about, you know, 60 days or 90 days or what have you. Business credit takes a little bit more time. You're going to see something between 9 and 12 months. But in the meantime, we're setting you up to apply for the $250,000 loan or credit or, you know, business loan, or the credit card, the $10,000 business credit card you may need to service the products for your business. So if you're having issues with getting grants for your business, if you're having issues with obtaining credit cards that can allow you to make your business more profitable, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, and just to piggyback that, I mean, with the program itself, it's basically A to Z step program for not only for you to actually build your business credit, but it's basically a program for you to build your business. So the program that we offer, we take a business owner such as yourself. If you have a new business, you may have a DUNS number, but what do you do with that DUNS number? How does that DUNS number translate to actually business credit? We actually, in our program, take you from a new business owner and not only build your business credit, which can be done, it's normally a 12-month process, but we're normally getting people with paydex scores anywhere from 4 to 6 months of a paydex score of 80 or better. But we're taking you through every steps of building that business with the business credit, which makes our program a little bit different. So it's not only us getting the net 30 accounts for you, helping you get in the business credit cards,
Gotcha.
helping you be certified for the minority small business grant certification that helps you get contracts depending on what industry you're in. So say, for instance, if you get the minority women business certification from the SBA, you're now able to bid on contracts that you get first dibs from anybody else throughout the country. So it's those things that we do with the business credit building that it's pretty much, there's really no company, there's no resource out there that's doing all the things that we do.
Okay.
And not only that, with the alignment of our program, we're making sure that you are also establishing yourself and making yourself look like a Fortune 500 company
Okay.
in the process.
And that's good information. If you're just tuning in, it's the Real Estate Experience with me, TRAVON Smith. We're talking to Aplus Credit right here, where they help with all your business credit solutions and personal credit solutions. We got a couple more minutes. We got about 5 minutes. I want to ask you guys a couple more questions. The first question is, people, I don't think, well, it's more of a statement. You guys can kind of elaborate on that. But once again, we only got about 5 minutes. People don't understand that with your business credit, because I've seen it done. Trisha, I know you've seen it done. And Mr. James, you probably seen it done on a different spectrum. You can get a home with business credit, correct?
It's a different process.
It's a different process, but you do your part to help them with the credit, right?
Correct. We do the part to help them with the personal credit, but literally, what most people don't understand is that you can leverage your business credit to where literally the lines of credit that you get for your businesses can outright purchase a home in your business.
I like that even better. I like that answer even better. Okay.
You know,
so yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna let you finish that up.
And not only that, by building your business credit, we're helping you be able to establish yourself. So if you wanted to go the way that I say it first was the non-traditional way, which I think is better. Yeah. But if we still help you to where if you wanted to actually do a commercial loan and be able to take out a mortgage or a loan for your business in your business name, you can do it that way as well.
Hey, I like that answer even better. So I want to get out of here. We got a couple minutes. I want to make sure you guys let everybody know your information, where they can reach you at. But my last one, I always ask when I have credit people, can you give some of our listeners or audience, people maybe tuning in, one tip as far as maybe their personal credit and one tip from for business credit? You guys can pick and choose who does what.
Okay. Which one you want to tackle, Trish?
I'll do personal because I'm kind of.
Okay.
So, go ahead.
I would say, as far as for your business, you definitely want to basically make sure you have the foundational things to operate as a business. And that's typically having an address associated with your business that's not your home address or P.O. box. You want to have a virtual office, an actual office, or something that once we start building you out, we're making sure that, again, you look like a Fortune 500 company or just a company that's able to do business. And just have the general necessities, a business email address, a business website URL, even if it's no website up, a phone number that's dedicated for your business, that's an actual phone number, fax number, and just the basics. That's important.
James, I think that was great information because it took me a while to learn that. I wish somebody would have told me that. So I don't think a lot of people are understanding the value that you're giving them. They might not, they might think it's just simple information, but I've been in business a while and I just, got my office. It's been a year now, and in order to go where you're talking about. So it's very valuable information you're giving. Trisha, you want to step in on the personal credit? I know you had a couple pointers as yesterday.
So as far as personal credit, what people don't realize is you're going to want to do it in about one last. What Aplus Credit does offer, we do have a hybrid. If you're just solely trying to get a mortgage, we can help with that within 3 to 4 months. Okay. So rather than the traditional, usually like a year, 2 years, really, because we say a year or two, because the creditors look at your credit history for the last 24 months, 12 to 24 months for credit when you want to apply for a mortgage or. So, but a tip that I shared yesterday was if you make 2 payments in a month on your credit card bill, it will trick the system to believing that you did more payments than one. Meaning, if your balance or monthly payment is $100 and you split that up and do $50 and your due date is the 15th and you make $50 payment on the 5th of January, and then 3 days prior to your due date, which is January 15th, which would be January 12th, you make the second payment. The system will think you did double payments when in all actuality, you broke out your monthly payment into 2 payments.
I like that. Hey, like I said, man, I appreciate Aplus Credit for stopping by on the real estate experience. I think you guys dropped some valuable information, and it's something, I like to maintain this relationship. Go ahead and give them the information where they can reach you guys at. I don't know if you have a website, email, phone numbers, whatever you want to give them. We'll put all the information in the description below as well.
Okay, yeah, definitely. Our website is A+ spelled out, PLUS creditnow.com. Also, same as our Instagram, apluscreditnow.com. You can give us a call, 866-526-3988. Also Facebook, apluscreditnow.com as well.
Man, I want to thank y'all for hanging out, and I definitely appreciate the free tips as well as I can use. So definitely, Mr. James, it's a pleasure. Trisha, I'll see you later. Trisha, let them know where you work at again for your real estate services.
So for real estate, it's Agents of LA, and my email is trisha@agentsofla.com. And I can also help you getting your, FHA mortgage loan as well. We do that too at Aplus Credit. So give us a call. No.
Thank you guys so much, and appreciate you guys once again.
Appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.